flight to Dallas. We actually supposed to have a non-stop flight, but they had a small group going to Nashville. So the plane landed in Nashville to let them off, and we're staying on. And that should be in Dallas about hopefully 9:30 their time, 10:30 Eastern time. It's raining, bumpy flight, like all of that, but y'all know 12 days of Christmas. You gotta get the vlogs rolling. Even if you don't have much going on, this is the time you should be vlogging. See y'all in Dallas. Okay, so I'm in Dallas, y'all. Oh my God. So I'm sitting on the plane and I had my head back and I was sleeping. And you know, through the cracks of the seat, this man like coughed or yawned or something. It was so freaking stink. It woke me up. I'm like, so I'm waiting on the hotel shuttle to come pick me up, and from there I'm going to get my rental car and let's get in these Dallas streets, baby. Pullover, like crop hoodies. I ain't bring no coat. I'm gonna have to run by Target or something to get me a fleece. But baby, she is chill. My mama hotel have the worst lighting, y'all. So I got a king executive room. This is a nice desk, the TV, the king bed. I brought my blanket, of course, and I brought a sheet set, y'all. I am that girl now. I bring my own linen. I got my own towels, wash rags. I got a couch that pulls out, and yeah, Clorox wipes. Ain't much of a view. It's a pool view, but y'all know what? I'm in Dallas on business, so I gotta hit these streets and do what the hell I gotta do. I'll tell y'all why I'm here later. I don't want to jinx it. Thank God for Progressive Online getting my rental car while I leave the insurance card home. Oh God, when the last y'all see a Grandy's? I think Charleston had a Grandy's when we were like in middle school. Wow. Okay, so truth to y'all, I just came off of like what's an apartment tour, so I am in Dallas looking to move. Yeah, from Charlotte to Dallas. So in Charleston, we had a Grandy's on Rivers Avenue. That thing had to have been going about 15 years now. I don't see none in North Carolina, and I'm on my no carb cake. But if I don't remember nothing else, I remember Grandy's cinnamon rolls and their dinner rolls, and I'm getting one. 50 cents for dinner roll. I just got two, y'all. Like my uncle loved Grandy's on Sunday. I know we was getting Grandy's, and ours from Charleston had to have been gone now almost 20 years. But back to what I was saying, what brought me to Dallas. I just want these people, I like to manifest what I want and put out a plan and execute. Nothing I do is on a whim. I do my research. So in theory, it's like I moved from Charleston, born and raised there. July of 2019 make a year that I've been in Charlotte, well, Concord. I like it. I can make it work. But when it was time to buckle down to buy something, I just can't commit. And I prayed on and I was like, you know, this ain't it. Every time I came to Dallas, I get a real good vibe. The housing prices, everything I like. So I'm like, you know what? Book a couple of trips down there and go get a feel for the area you want to be in. Because you can't just say I live in Dallas. There's so many metropolis areas. There's so many suburbs around the metropolis. You really have to see where you want to be in. The apartment I just came from, I've been communicating with her for some time now, and I really, really like it. I like when everything is in one vicinity. If y'all know anything about me, there's a Kroger on this road. There's a Dollar General, Family Dollar, CVS, Walgreens, everything right here on this one road. And I'm going down the street to the mall. So we're going to go in here, y'all, because the two places that I'm employed at is in this mall. So let's go see what they got. I ain't been in a real mall in so long. 3 floors. It's gonna test my leg. So first things first, this is different. This is a huge mall. The small mall that I work in outside of Concord, North Carolina. We are a flat 1-story mall. I think 15, 16 stores in there. The ones down Charlotte are bigger, but this is big, honey. Whew. Let me truck my way to the other side. Oh, look at the process. Like I say, my employers, I just left out the Sephora over here in the mall. The management here, both of the managers working there are hella cool. So far, so good. This side of town is going good. Now, let me go take a peek. Of course, I had to stop by my place of employment. Partake on a little discount. I love mugs and eye masks, in case y'all did not know. Now, I gotta head this way. I see a store down here called the $7 store, like they sell clothing. Y'all know I'm frugal as hell, so let me go get up on that. Next stop is going to be to the grocery store. I brought coupons with me, even out of town, don't judge me. Give me some cheese and crackers and wines for my room. I did not make it to the other side of town, to the other apartment complex, because truth is, I like this side of town. But I'm gonna go tomorrow.
I look defeated, but I'm not. The mall is just huge. It's like 3 stories. I walked the whole thing.
Did I tell y'all my ass out here in these Texas streets with no coat? So I packed some crop hoodies. I forgot to check the weather. I ain't gonna tell you no lie. When I arrived this morning, it was 32 degrees. It warmed up a little bit, but now it's getting cold again. So I'm heading into Walgreens to get me some little wine and cheese and a lighter and some things for my room, and get something to eat. And I'm going to end this vlog, y'all. We're going to pick this up tomorrow with day 2. Riding around.
Big change, money ain't a thing. She said she want a snack, I gave her my candy cane. The kids see it's Christmas time everywhere they look. Got them hollering out Merry Christmas all on the Facebook. Take it to the club where they want